Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I will talk a little bit about how to stop wasting time on YouTube. So at the beginning of this year, I find out I got addicted to YouTube. Sometimes I would just literally spend half my day sitting there and watch those funny YouTube videos. I find out that's kind of problematic to me as well as for some of you guys. So I made this video and I love to show you 2 ways that can help you stop wasting your time on YouTube. So let's get started. So Google recently announced a number of new tools on Android operating system as well as on YouTube that can help you limit the time you spend on your phone and on YouTube particularly. For example, on the latest Android system, they have this Android dashboard that can help you manage and limit the time you spend on every single app. However, the tool they announced on YouTube is built into the app since YouTube is a cross-platform service. By default, it's not enabled. You can enable it by clicking on your profile picture, then go to Settings, and finally, click on Remind Me to Take a Break. You can set the frequency to every 15, 30, 60, and 180 minutes, and your app will remind you when the time arrives. Unfortunately, right now, this feature is only on mobile devices, but I will keep you updated on when it starts supporting desktop computer as well as other devices. Thank you for watching. Please click the button down below to subscribe my channel. Otherwise, see you next time.